I don't think people understand how easy it is to make spotted dick. And no, it's not as weird as it sounds. Let's dive in. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need flour, suet or butter, sugar, currants, milk, and a pinch of salt. Don't worry, it's all basic stuff. Start by mixing the flour, suet, and sugar in a bowl. Then, toss in those currants. They give our spotted dick its spots. Add the milk and stir until you have a dough. Roll your dough into a log shape and wrap it in a cloth or foil. Now, steam it for about 2 hours. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Once it's done, unroll it and slice it up. Serve it warm with custard or cream. Yum! There you go, classic spotted dick. Who knew something with such a funny name could taste so good?